your Rubik's Cube could get you arrested? Well, actually no, but did you know that some cubes are competition illegal? So today we'll discuss about that, and then via a game show, we'll expose all the weird loopholes in WCA cube regulation. So you would want to stick to the end. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, if you actually want a rundown on what cubes are legal or not, you can read the WCA regulations, Article 3. But who's gonna read all that? Essentially, it boils down to three things. Number 1, smart cubes aren't allowed. Secondly, transparent or semi-transparent cubes aren't allowed. These are usually the expensive special editions. Essentially, cool cubes aren't allowed. Nah, just kidding. So lastly, cubes that are overly damaged, such as a cracked corner piece that you can feel with your finger, is also disallowed. Now, just for fun, let's play a game. I'll describe 4 cubes, and you will have to decide which 2 are legal and which 2 are not. So, first and foremost, we have a normal cube, just that the center caps were modified so that they do not pop off as easily. Next, we have the world's smallest Rubik's Cube.
Ooh, that's kind of small. Yikes.
Next, we have a pretty regular cube. It's just that all of the stickers were peeled off and now the colors are hand painted using acrylic. Lastly, we have a cube that does nothing special except for light up a little bit when you turn it. Now, I'll give you a second to try to figure out the answer on which 2 are legal and which 2 are not. I'll reveal the answer. So first and foremost, the world's smallest cube is illegal. And secondly, no, it is not the painted cube, believe it or not. It is the cube that lights up. So now, I'll explain them. Let's talk about the illegal ones first. Why are they illegal? So for the world's smallest cube, you can argue that this regulation right here, it states that you cannot compete and intentionally get a bad result. And using this cube is literally asking for a bad result. And next, for the cube that lights up a little bit, although it does not give advantage and it does not give others a disadvantage, but it contains an electrical component, and this regulation forbids any and all electrical components. And now for the painted cube, yes, look at that. There is a regulation that specifically states that you can in fact paint your cubes. And lastly, for the cube with modified center caps, it is completely legal. You can in fact modify your cubes as long as it does not give you additional information on the state the cube is in. And make sure no electrical parts as well. So that's the answer. So that'll be the end of the simple video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you stayed so far till the end, well, thank you. So remember to like, subscribe, more videos are to come.